Hello, welcome to my channel again. Now that your Sellvia e-com store is ready, what's next? Probably that's the question that you are asking right now. Okay, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you what you are going to do to start selling immediately. Alright, remember this is a follow-up tutorial from the previous video, how to order and set up your custom store. Okay, if you are coming around for the first time, my name is Chris and I run this channel. I post videos like this, how to make money online on e-commerce and some other areas that can make money online with less work. So do well to subscribe to this channel, like the video, share the video also so that others will benefit. Okay, so stick around to the end of this video. You will learn how to start making profit from a store from now. Alright, so from the previous video we stopped at the onboarding meeting with Sellvia team. As I said before, previously the onboarding meeting was not there. Once you finish filling the survey, after one business day, they will send you an email that your store is ready. But now you have to onboard a meeting with them so that they will show you how things work out. They will show you what you need to do to make maximum use of their platform, and that is awesome. Okay, the meeting is supposed to last for 45 minutes, but in my case, I think it's not up to 15 minutes because already I am in e-commerce. I know one or two things about dropshipping, so they don't have much to tell me, and I don't have much questions. But if you are just starting out and you have some questions to ask, make sure that you ask them every single thing that in your mind, and they will be there to put you through. Alright, so during the onboarding meeting, they activated my store. They activated my store immediately, and this is the email they sent to me. Alright, so from here now we will take it up. Okay, so you can see your e-commerce store is completely ready. Congrats. So when you scroll down, you will see other things. This is the name of my store, findhq.shop, the free domain that is attached to my website. So when you click on this place now, it will take you to your store. Let's take a look. Alright, this is the store they created for me. As you can see, it looks beautiful. It is awesome. You can scroll down to see the products that was added to my store. Okay, as you can see, I have done a couple of things, add new products, and they do a couple of settings in my store. Okay, as we said before, the store normally comes with only 50 products, but you have the opportunity to add unlimited products to your store without any charge. We have 50, but now I have over 150 in my store. I've added some products in my store already. Alright, so this is how it looks. It looks awesome. It looks wonderful. Alright, so let's go back. Okay, so here is your back-end information, your dashboard information. So where you will do your setting, you set up your PayPal, add what you need to add, where you manage your store, that is the dashboard. If you know a thing or two about WordPress, you will be conversant with this. Alright, next thing is your Sellvia account. Sellvia account, here you can set up your APIs, view order histories, and manage your subscription. Okay, all these are very important information that you need to take note of. So your branded email, support@ findhq.shop. This is my branded email and the password also. Alright, so that's all. Say how to get started. Number one is to set up the payment gateway. I'm making use of Stripe. I'm making use of PayPal. How to set them up. There are tutorials here, but I'm going to walk you through how to easily do that without wasting much of your time. Okay, so Sellvia has a bunch of tutorial on how to make money with your store, all for free. So if you have some time, you can check it out. You can click on Go to Academy there, and you see a lot of tutorials both on Facebook ad, Google ad, Pinterest ad, email marketing, and so on. Alright, and also other things that you need to take note of. Just take your time, go through the mail, and you will find one or two things to help you there. Okay, so now we are going to go to our dashboard. I'm going to log into my dashboard to show you one or two things to do before you start selling. Okay, so you click on your store dashboard here to take you to the back end of your store. I'll log in. Alright, so this is my back end. This is my WordPress dashboard. As you know, the Sellvia, this thing was built with WordPress. If you are familiar with WordPress, you can see this is your tools. This is your dashboard. Okay, so what we want to do now is to set up our Sellvia, our PayPal account. Set up the payment gateway so that we'll be able to receive payments for any order. Alright, as for me, I like using PayPal for the easy of use, and it is most popular when it comes to online payments. You can choose to add one or two like Stripe to your store, or as in my case, I'm using only PayPal. But before we do that, let's take a look around the store. Let's see the products we have. And some other things. This product, see all products. Alright, this is the product. You can see here I have 167 published products. Alright, when they send this store, it is only 50, but I have to add some orders to make up the store. Okay, my recommendation is that after the store is sent, please do well to add other products to your store. Add other products, at least 150, so that people will have option when they come to your store. Okay. Alright, now to set up your payment gateway, first thing you need to do is to go to this place now that you see Sellvia, just above dashboard. Let me cycle it so that you see what I'm saying. This. Okay, click on this. It will bring out entirely different menus. You can see it now. So to get to your payment setting, go to setting, then payments. Click on payments. Alright, so this one is Stripe, but we are only interested in PayPal for now. So you scroll down to get to the PayPal section. and this is it. The first thing that we need to do is to enable this. Formally it is like this, so just need to enable it. Enable payments, PayPal payment option. Also enable express checkouts. Then this should be in US dollar if you want to collect your payment in US dollar. If not, depending on where you are watching from, you can choose the one you want, but this is the default and it is recommended. Okay, so integration method, this is where I want you to take notes, because normally it is in REST API. This will take you some time to do, as we are going to enter developer mode in PayPal to start doing all sorts of things. But to save you time and the effort, just leave it at choose classic. Choose classic, and when you choose classic, it will just show you your the field to input your seller email. So just go and copy your email that you use to open your PayPal account and paste it here. That is all. Okay, so this one now is just my logo. If you would like to your logo to appear in the checkout page of PayPal, you copy the URL and place it there and click on Save Changes. And that's all for the payment option. Okay, thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to import quickly to your stores multiple products. Alright, thank you for watching and God bless you.